Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel Blooming Asto Relish Life with me. Hi, this is Anurupa and welcome to a whole new episode from the Autumn Season Series 2025. Hey, are you tired of all the busy weeknights takeouts? I mean food takeouts from the restaurants? As well, those are, even if they are saying that those are healthy meals, they aren't. Trust me. So, what can we do regarding that? There are many recipes out there, like especially easy to make, easy to digest, as well healthy, tasty, and yummy. And the most, as we all know, soup is the most lightest of all, but as it's a liquid item, for the timing it will fulfill your satiety, but as the toxins flushes out from the body, you may feel hungry at times while sleeping, which will disturb your sleep duration. Regarding that, what can we do? Definitely, rather than having those boring takeouts or those unhealthy takeouts from the restaurants, we can opt for easy dinner, which is easy to make. And the second easiest thing to make at home, rather than soup, is the salad. Yes, they are healthy. You can make it in various ways. Super yummy, depending on your choices of sauces and dressings. And today, this video will provide you with the nutritional benefits of a protein-rich salad, which is plant-based and extremely easy to make. You can make it in two different ways, which I will provide the details in the latter half of the video. Today is one type I'll be making, and in some other video of mine I'll be making the another type. This meal is perfectly balanced with protein, carbs, calories, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Basically, I'm talking about the micro and macronutrients. It's a powerhouse of nutrients. You don't need to buy those supplements, like, many will ask you to buy those protein supplements or vitamin supplements from the market and have it so that you can get your beautiful hair, skin, internal health. But trust me, those are myths and those are extremely costly, and to certain point of time after, even if you're having them, it won't be a good choice, because it won't be helpful and it won't be working for your body. After all, they are also containing chemicals. As we are making a protein-rich diet or a protein-rich meal, which is plant-based, let's know what is protein. Already I have mentioned about these nutrients early in my video, in some other video of mine. Today, again, I'll be just memorizing what is a protein and what is the benefits of protein for our body. Protein is a nutrient made up of essential amino acid chain. It is essential or crucial for maintaining and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and providing various bodily functions by supporting them. Protein is a macronutrient. Few more details of the ingredients that I've used for my protein-rich salad will be provided in the latter half of the video, I mean while you watch the practical application or the recipe of the salad. And now, without any further delay, let's dive into the main video. Stay tuned.
Rajma or red kidney beans, the scientific name is Phaseolus vulgaris. These are nutritional powerhouse providing 127 calories, 8.7 gram protein, 22 gram carbs and 6.4 gram fiber per 100 grams. Kabuli chana or chickpeas or garbanzo beans, scientific name Caesar aratinum, per 100 gram contains around 360 to 385 calories, 6.5 gram of fat, 60 to 64 gram of carbs and 20 gram proteins, as well significant dietary fibers and minerals like iron, potassium and calcium. Soyabean, scientific name Glycine max, per 100 gram contains 173 calories, 18.2 gram of protein, 6 gram fiber, 9 gram fat along with significant vitamins B1, B2 and folate. White peas, scientific name Lathyrus sativus, per 100 gram provides 250 to 340 calories, 17.20 gram of protein, 11 to 14 gram of carbs, 11 to 20 gram of fiber, also contains iron and B vitamins. Tomato, scientific name Solanum lycopersicum, per 100 gram contains 25 calories, 0.2 gram fat, high water content of 95%, 0.8 to 1 gram of protein, 3.9 gram carbs including 1.2 gram of fiber and 2.6 gram natural sugars, as well vitamin C and potassium. Carrot, scientific name Daucus carota, per 100 gram contains approx 41 calories, 9.58 gram carbs, 2.8 gram dietary fiber, 0.93 gram of protein and 0.24 gram of fat. Also contains beta carotene, vitamin A, antioxidants and minerals. Onion, scientific name Allium cepa, per 100 gram provides 44 calories, 100 gram carbs, 1.7 gram fibers, 4.7 gram sugars, 1.4 gram protein, 0.2 gram of fat and vitamin C and potassium. Peanuts, scientific name Arachis hypogaea, per 100 gram contains 567 calorie, 49.2 gram fat, 25.8 gram protein, 16.1 gram of carbs, 85 gram fiber and 4.7 gram sugar. Peanuts are richest source of healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, vitamin E, B and minerals. Green chilies, scientific name Capsicum annum, per 100 gram contains approx 30 to 40 gram calories, 2 gram fiber, 3 gram protein, vitamin C, A, B, 6 and minerals. Capsicum, scientific name Capsicum annum, per 100 gram contains 26 calories, 6 gram carbs, 4.2 gram sugar, 2.1 gram fiber, 0.99 gram protein, 0.3 gram fat and 92% of water and vitamin C. Coriander powder, scientific name Coriandrum sativum, per 100 gram contains 298 to 342 calories, 12 to 13.5 gram of protein, 17.8 gram of fat, 55 gram carbs and 42 gram dietary fiber.
Now comes the dressing part. Here I have opted for oil, which is rice bran oil. You can opt for sesame oil, olive oil, even butter. In some other video, I'll be providing a salad recipe made with butter and without any oil. And let's know the scientific name of rice bran oil. It's Rhiza sativa. 100 gram of rice bran oil provides 884 to 900 calories, 100 gram of fat, vitamin A, vitamin K, and no carbs. Next comes the salt. The scientific name is the sodium chloride. 100 grams of salt provides 38.8 gram of sodium. Next comes the mayonnaise. Per 100 gram of mayonnaise provides 680 grams of calories and 75 gram of fat. Next comes the cheese. Per 100 gram of cheese approximately will provide 300 to 450 calories, 20 to 35 gram of fat, 15 to 25 gram of protein, and 600 to 70 microgram of calcium. And now the fact is that cheese and mayonnaise, definitely their calorific value will differ from brands to brands as well. The type of cheese or mayonnaise you are using. I have used cheese spread from Delecta tomato sauce, which contains 32 to 42 calories per 100 gram. And now it's a wrap up time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Got any feedback, any questions, leave them in the comment section. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all new notifications for more such delightful videos. Also, give a thumbs up and share. And now signing off from Lumingasto, Relish Life with me. See you all in my next upcoming video from the Autumn Season Series 2025. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye-bye.